What's up, wealthy family? So we're back. We got the Subaru taking on the main voyage here. As you know, we got this running the other day and we had to run it about 45 minutes away to get the sunroof replaced under warranty. So Noah lucked out on that.
I knew it the whole time.
Yeah, then we had to drive 45 minutes back. The car did great. The only check engine light that's still on is for the TGV left-hand side, which, like I said, probably not going to fix that. Not a big deal. And we have one small coolant leak still. Lower radiator hose started just drip a little bit, so I got to take this coolant reservoir out today, tighten up that clamp, put it back on. No big deal, should be solid. As you can see, this list is pretty much complete. We still got to do the headliner, which we're working on today, and get these seats and carpet shampooed and cleaned up so we can get this thing listed up. So we got the seats here. We're gonna do a deep clean shampoo on those. And then Noah, let me go over here. Noah's starting to take the seats back out because we obviously had to put them in to drive it to the shop the other day that did the sunroof.
Yeah, this is the easy part.
So he's taking that out. And then what are you doing today, Noah?
Taking these out, I think we talked about we're gonna clean these up first because we wanna make sure they're dry. Because next day, we're not gonna work for a few days. And next day we wanna be able to drive it if we need to.
Drive it and list it, right?
Drive it, list it, maybe take it up to the car wash and give it a quick clean.
Yep.
So get these done, and then if time allows, then unfortunately I'm gonna have to get in here with a wire wheel and all of this on this whole thing here, and I think, well,
we're probably replacing that.
Yeah, I'm not sure what this is, a little different. But yeah, all this is gonna be
foam, as you can see, and it's disintegrating nasty. So he's gonna wire wheel that down. We got him a big old painter suit, a full like painter's mask. So he's gonna be in here.
Alan is really excited.
He's gonna be in this little fish globe. I'm gonna be recording from the outside. So get ready.
Originally, this was like my penance for breaking the sunroof, but now it's just for fun for Alan because, you know, I knew the whole time it was under a recall. So
yeah.
That's definitely what happened. But yeah. Son, how old are you?
Where the hell did my seat go?
Can I see your driver's license registration? All right, guys, we're back out here in Hawaii. Had a little bit of snow last night. Car is hopefully not leaking because the sunroof was replaced. But yeah, so we're looking to get this thing finished up today. Did you just do that, or is that me?
Oh, the alarm.
Is that the alarm?
It works.
So anyways, if that doesn't deter you, I don't know what will. But anyways, looking to get this back in the garage, finish up the headliner, and get this thing for sale. So give us a couple minutes here, and we'll get this, get some more shots for you guys. Dude, there's like a ton of snow.
Yeah, I think you got more snow than I did, so lots came down. I just got here and the range is covered, so.
Let's do the,
don't mess up the sunroof. You don't get another one warranted.
Hey man.
Just set that down, smash.
That guy owes us. We'll just tell him it broke. It broke again. When we were driving home,
right, well, I'll get in this and
Yeah, and it is
pull it in.
it is not warm in the garage, guys. We're gonna get that propane heater on, but we're taking some thumbnails, which turns out is very dangerous in the snow. We had a light fall on us, and we broke the bulb a little bit. So maybe we'll post some photos at the end here for you guys.
Here, you want to take this and
yeah,
let me start it up. You want to show them my seat?
Oh yeah, I've got some video of this Alan can throw in too.
Oh, we need to put the seats in and go snow drifting.
Oh,
we need to be doing some cyclones. This thing will kill in the snow.
This thing's a snow bunny, man. Ugh. Here's a 4'6" Alan.
I can't see out the front window.
You'll be fine. Just keep the door open a little bit. He's got no seat, no shifter, and
no window,
and no vision.
Okay, I trust you.
I don't know why, but this really just gives me joy watching Alan.
All right, guys, so we're back. Look at this. We finally got the headliner covered. You know, we got some creases from when it was shipped, so that'll come out, you know, over time and with some heat or whatever, and you know, these little dimples from the clothespins, that'll come out. But honestly, for our first time ever, this thing turned out
way better than I thought, honestly. Like we were.
Noah's been stressed.
We've been
a couple
dreading
weeks
this.
over this. If you can't tell in the video.
Well,
so.
and Alan told me last night. He said this was like his biggest worry about the build. Period. So the fact that this turned out so good.
Look at that. Dang. So you want to show them the backside of it if you want to flip it around. So
we have to obviously put holes in these spots here.
Yeah, where the the sun visors go, the dome lights. We got where the crap bars go and stuff like that. And then we still got to cut out the hole for the actual sunroof, but you got to do that in the car. Yep. This is a floating. This is not factory. This was aftermarket, you know, sunroof that's installed on these. So
that's why we had to do all this crap. But
so that's literally, this is traced from the other ones as you see in the video. So it's not like something where you're like, oh, let's just cut it here and do that. So honestly, turned out pretty well. So we should be home stretch on this car. Get this guy installed today. Get the interior cleaned up the rest of the way. As you see, we got the seats and everything shampooed, the carpet, everything cleaned up. So once we get installed, we'll do one final wipe down and vacuum in here and get the interior installed and get this listed for sale. So
and then go do some donuts in the sun.
Yeah, maybe there's some snow on the roads we can go play with. So sit back, relax, and let's get this project wrapped up. so here we are. Subaru is done. We finally got this thing all the way back together, taking it on a few drives. Nothing too crazy because we don't have it registered, or the car's insured. We're insured, but
it's totally legal, guys.
It's legal. We only went to Mexico.
Yep,
so
Mexico in the snow.
But anyways, it's pretty solid, so we're gonna get this thing listed up for sale. It's ready to find its new home, and then we can continue to work on that. So Noah, you wanna take us through this interior?
I sprayed everything, I drill brushed it, I extracted it, I got in here, this is all wiped down, the floors were done. These are just universal mats, but these were all done. That one's got a fresh footprint on it. Back here, I don't know if you can tell as much in the video, but these were filthy. And
Yep.
it looks so much better. Like honestly, like for a 20-year-old car, I think this is, aside from reupholstering, pretty dang close to looking like new. Sorry, there's a little dust here from us setting up lighting and everything, but got all that washed back there. All the tints gone like you saw in the beginning.
Solid, no more leaks or nastiness up there.
Yeah. We removed that stupid button that you guys had seen before, so that's all fresh.
Glove box. Glove box works?
Glove box does
Oh,
not
look
fall.
at that. Holy
Boom.
crap.
And we got the new armrest.
This is not all broken up and nasty, so that's good. You got your little cob access port mounted up there.
We got the
double din. The cup holder for your
cup holder.
Slurpee. I don't know if that fit a Slurpee or Big Gulp. Will that fit a Big Gulp? I don't know. Maybe that will.
Debatable.
That one won't either.
Someone definitely spilled one in it before we got to it. So, but yeah, she's looking clean for a 20-year-old car, and she's 100% done. We went through it all, even the sunroof.
So that's it. So maybe this car will be sold by the time you see this video. Maybe it won't. We're gonna get this thing listed up probably tomorrow or later today.
Later tonight, maybe. It's like 8 o'clock, but it's, in my opinion, prime time to list it. We got snow. This thing has got snow tires. Yeah, it's all-wheel drive.
Tires. Those brakes are working great.
Yep. With all that, and then the red, 5 per wheel horsepower.
Yep.
We got 5 here, so she's ready. Little snow bunny ready to go.
Sweet. So, well, let's get it listed on up and let's get started on the other project.